Hello kids, I hope so you all are fine. So today I'm gonna teach you about alphabets and you have to match with pictures.
Match.
Yeah, you have to match with correct picture.
Wow.
So we have so many pictures and we have so many alphabets.
Wow.
Okay, now let's make pictures.
Wow.
So tell me, what is this? What is this?
Apple.
An apple. Okay, then okay, let's make tell me, what is this?
Banana.
Yeah, these are bananas. Okay, now tell me, which picture is this?
Blueberry.
No, it's not blueberry,
The
it's an orange. Okay, tell me, what is this? These are grapes. Yes. Okay, now let's make okay, tell me, what is this? Watermelon. Now next we have let's draw.
Mango.
Yeah, it's a mango. Okay, we have alphabet A, G, M, W, O, and we have B. So tell me, we have apple. So correct alphabet for apple is A. Yes, A for
Apple.
let's match A alphabet with apple. Well done. Next we have orange. So O for orange. Let's circle the orange and match with orange. Next we have G. G for
Grape.
G for grapes. Very good. Okay, now Anya, keep quiet. Siraj, tell me. We have alphabet M. M for mango. We have M. M for mango. Okay, we have W. W for watermelon. So let's circle W and match with watermelon. Then we have B. B for banana. Very good. So let's match with banana. Completed. Yay. Okay, so that was all about pictures and their alphabets. Subscribe the channel, kids. Like this video. Take care.